Hey, this is Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and let's check out my new listing at 5722 West Fulton. This is in the Austin area nearby Oak Park, and let's take a look. This is a nice little home for anyone who's looking for a affordable 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's take a look. As you walk in, you'll see a nice little sunroom, mudroom, whatever you want to call it. But you can put, an office here, anything pretty much. It's a big space. Once you walk in, you'll see the stairs in the middle going up to the second and third floor where the bedrooms are. To the left, you'll have an open concept living room, lots of space for TV entertaining and whatever you want to make. But let's start over here on the right side where you're gonna have the dining room with some nice new windows all over the house, and the kitchen, white cabinets, a nice backsplash, and quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. And you also have another exit and entry from the back that takes you right out. Now let's go to the other side of the family room or living room, and as you come in, you also have a closet space here for coats, boots. And then you have another closet space right here that you can also store more stuff. Very nice, spacious. Like I said, new windows, a lot of lighting. And over here to my right, you got a half bath for the guests. Nicely done. And let's go check the basement. Very clean basement. You can make this whatever you want. So you got all your hookups, electrical panel, washer and dryer hookup, gas. Here's another exit to come in and out through the back door. Very clean. There's your water heater, furnace, no water leaks. The seller just put on a new sump pump and a tiled interior floor drain, as you can see. She did a very good job. Very clean basement. You can make this another, family room, entertaining room, whatever you want to make it. It's got the potential. So let's go back up. All right, so now we're heading to the second floor. And on the second floor, you have 4 bedrooms. They're very big. Closets. You got a nice closet right here in the middle. Bedroom number 1. Huge. You can put a king size bed here. Nice walk-in closet. Very big. Let's go to the next one. Okay, we're gonna go right to the second bedroom. Now these are not master bedrooms. These are regular bedrooms. They're pretty big. Here's another one with a walk-in closet. A lot of space. Again, you have some closet space in the hallway for your towels or anything that you want to put together. This is the third bedroom. Another walk-in closet. Again, lots of space. Okay, here we go into the fourth bedroom on the second floor. This is a little smaller. This could be a kid's room, or this could be an office. It's still pretty big. Got a walk-in closet, Very, very good. And now we're gonna head up to the master. So the master bedroom has a very large space as well. Look at this. Very nice. And then over here to my right, this could be your walk-in closet. It's not finished, but you can definitely put shelves, rod, or you can put your furniture, but it has a lot of potential to add closet space. And then of course you have the full master bath. Same thing, very, very nicely done. But here you don't have a tub, you have a standing shower. All right, so let me show you the property around the exterior. Nice mulch, nice curb appealing. So the property only goes up to the gate. New downspouts, new roof up there, again, new windows. And this is the little side gate. And the property line goes up to here. Not a whole lot of yard, but a whole lot of house. You know, plenty of parking space on the street. You know, you're right across the street from nice church. You're on a corner lot. There's the other door to the kitchen where I was showing you guys. And then let me show you the backyard. All right, so let's take a look at the side. Like I said, there's not a whole lot of, here's the other exit from the basement. There's not a whole lot of backyard. It's a small little, you know, lot. And it's a corner lot. And it goes up to that fence. This is the backyard, but it's got new gutters, new windows. You know, it's a solid home, and it's a huge home on the inside. So if you're looking for a bargain, this is it.